Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create things in AWS IoT. Now let's move forward and see how I'm creating this thing. Create single thing here. Now thing name I'm going to put ESP32 smart water. Now click on no shadow. Okay, auto generate a new certificate recommended. Okay, now this is showing the policies which I already created in the last video. So click here, attach this policy. Now I'm going to create a thing. So now don't forget to download all these certificates. I'm clicking on download all. Yes, done. So here you can see I have just created a thing using AWS IoT. Now I'm going to put this into these policies and certificates in my Arduino coding. Thank you for watching.